an overachiever might be the very reason why you are having a hard time dating. I will share with you a couple of characteristics that I find to be true with a lot of people that I work with and how overachieving really impacts dating. Number one, you're in your head. You're in your head so much, you're overanalyzing, you're worrying about what other people think or feel, that you're not allowing yourself to really feel and be present. Number two, you're outcome oriented, you're goal oriented. That's probably what makes you so brilliant in business, is what really challenges you in your dating life. Because if you look at even the definition of flirting, it is to behave as though you're attracted to someone without the serious intention of an outcome. So that is a really big one. The third reason is you have a hard time letting go. You might be hanging on or being perfectionistic in everything. And when it comes to dating, it's a letting go, it's letting loose, it's being playful. And if this all sounds like you got to come to my workshop. It's called Flirting Made Easy, so that you can learn how to be more in your body, have fun, and just letting go.